Hello friends, today we are going to continue chapter number 2, First World War and Russian Revolution, lecture number 14. Friends, in this chapter we were discussing about the First World War. We were achieving lot of information related to First World War. In the previous lectures, in this chapter, we learned about how this greed of establishing colonies and acquiring the open market in the Asian and African continent took these European countries very near towards the war. Friends, it was this greed of establishing colonization that drew towards the war, and these greed changed their thinking, changed their philosophy of war in a very different way. We learned in the previous lectures that how this greed did not even spare the neighboring countries. In this chapter, we started learning from the reasons of this First World War, that why this First World War happened, why this destructive war was experienced by the mankind. When we started learning that, after that, we also discussed how this First World War, what was the responsible factors for this First World War. We discussed about the Sedan War, which was the primary responsible, in which Germany declared war on France, and in which France was defeated and to had signed a Frankfurt Treaty, in which France had to pay a huge war fine and give away its two provinces, Lorraine and Alsace, to Germany, which France find it humiliating, insulting, and decided to take revenge on Germany. They started creating a difference between two natures. This created a mistrust, and they started thinking about negative factors of the other countries. Friends, we also discussed how this factor leads towards then the economic factor, in which England and Germany, the difference between these two countries created due to the economic loss faced by England in the Asian and African countries after Germany entered it and started selling the same products at cheaper rate than England. We also discussed how these countries started increasing their military powers. They started producing more and more destructive weapons. After that, these powerful countries made the military training compulsory. We discussed how these countries were divided into groups just to ensure themselves from the future attack. They started signing treaties with each other. They started making groups. The world started dividing into two groups. We learned how the role of newspaper played an important role. At that time in the European countries, these newspapers started publishing the false and manipulated article, which played a very important role in changing the mindset of the people. It worked like putting the venom in the mind of the people. We discussed how this fierce nationalism developed in the mind of people. They had love for their own country and hatred for the other country. We also discussed how these all things changed the philosophy of war. Like these European countries thought the war as welfare. German writer considered it as a sacred work. So this was the thinking that developed. And after the immediate attack of the Serbian terrorist organization Black Hand, when it attacked on the Prince of Austria and his wife and shot dead, the situation totally changed. Australia made Serbia responsible for that. And when Serbia refused to take the responsibility, Austria declared war on it, and these started the very destructive First World War. The First World War was experienced by the countries of the world. These we can say here, our country experienced this World War, and due to it, when this World War started, lots of people. Now, when at the initial stage it was said the world was divided into two groups when the World War started. When the World War started, the world was divided into two groups, Allied groups and the Central Power groups. Allied groups consisted of some of the powerful countries like Britain, Russia, France. Friends, on the other side, these allied countries had 24 countries with it, while on the other side, the Central Power had some of the four countries. It was a combination of four countries like Germany, Austria, Turkey, Bulgaria. Friends, at the initial stage, Germany was very powerful. It even ruined almost the French army. But as the war moved forward, the result was something different. Germany, in the greed of establishing more and more power, it attacked on the American steamer Lusitania, in which when they drowned this Lusitania, 147 American soldiers were killed. Due to which America, which was neutral during this First World War up to now entered the First World War. And when America entered into the First World War, many other countries, they started supporting America. And so, when America entered from the Central Power, the other three countries, Austria, Bulgaria, Turkey, they withdrew from the war. Russia also withdrew from the war when the Russian Revolution started. So now, Germany was left alone. And as Germany was left alone, and when this Kaiser of Germany, he abdicated his post and ran away. After that, Germany surrendered, and on November 11th, 1918, this First World War came to an end with the surrendering of Germany. Friends, we discussed that here it was not the end. Even the result of this First World War was experienced. The evil result of this First World War was experienced even after the war. So we were discussing about the effects of this First World War. We were discussing about the effects of First World War. We were discussing about these effects of First World War. So now, friends, in this, when we were discussing about the first effects of First World War, in the previous lecture we discussed about the destruction of man and material, in which we learned that in the destruction of man and material, we learned that around about 6.5 crore people took part in this First World War. 6.5 crore people took part in it, and at least 2 crore people, at least 1 crore people were died, 2 crore people were injured, and round about 70 lakh people became permanently injured, permanently handicapped. Friends, lots of people died due to starvation and other spread of killings. Friends, this was the very cruel phase of this First World War. Today, friends, we are going to discuss about one more effect that was seen after this First World War, that is the social change. social change that came after the First World War. Here it is said that during the war, majority of men were involved in war. Friends, here it is said, at the time when war was going on, majority of men were involved, majority of the men were involved in the war. Here, majority of men of the world, we can say, of each and every world, the nations which were involved in this First World War, in that nations, the men in that nations were involved in this activity of First World War. Hence, the responsibility of earning and feeding the family came on woman. Friends, here it is said, as during the war, majority of men were involved in this war. Now, the responsibility of earning and feeding the family came on the woman. As a result, woman set out of their homes. Now the women started coming out of their homes and started working. And they started working, friends. Here it is said, now when the responsibility came on this woman, they started working just to feed and earn for their family. They successfully took over the responsibility of the family. They successfully took over the responsibility of family. As you can say, they were successful in this. They worked in different professions, you can say. They started working in different professions. So friends, here we can understand that these women started taking the responsibility on their hand, and how they took the responsibility and they were successful. They were successful in taking over the responsibility in their hand. So now friends, here it is said, when women started taking the responsibility of men, and now when they got this responsibility, their work, and then when they became successful, here it is said, they became self-confident and became equivalent to man. They became equivalent to man. So here it is said, they became self-confident as they got success and became equivalent to man. This made their rights. These made women aware about their rights and responsibilities. Friends, here it is said, these made women aware about their rights and responsibilities, and they started demanding their rights, we can say. After this, women started demanding their rights, as they came to know about their rights. Once they became aware, once they stepped out of their home, they started taking the responsibility. After taking the responsibility, now when they were successful in that, they became equivalent to men. Now they understood about their rights and responsibility. So after this, women started demanding their rights, and during the war, during the war, men were totally focused on war, as you all know that men took part in the war at that time, and due to that reason, as during that time men were totally focused on war and war related activities and production. They were totally focused on war and war related activities. Even more production necessary for war was done. Friends, here it is said, the focus, as during the war, men were totally focused on war. Due to this reason, the war related activities, mostly the men, they were focused on war, and they were focused on the activities that were related to war. Also, whatever production they made, that were all mostly related to this war, and that is why the production of necessary things, reduced. Due to this reason, the production of necessary things was reduced. Whatever the things were required, the necessity was increased, and the production was not done in proper amount, as their focus was on the war related activities. This resulted into problem of scarcity, unemployment. This resulted into problem of scarcity, unemployment, starvations, strikes, etc. These things started happening as the necessary things were not produced. People suffered a lot. Situation of old people and children were pathetic. Here it is said, friends, that even when we take a look, that even the people suffered a lot, situation of old people and children were very pathetic. Was very pathetic. So friends, here when we talk about this, here we say a lot of social change came, means a change in the society. Women started earning, they stepped out of their home, and due to that reason they started understanding their rights, they started demanding their rights. Here the men who were totally focused on war, they started doing all the things related, all the activities were related to war, even the production of necessary things were related to war. This resulted into the scarcity of production of necessary items, and due to the scarcity, this resulted into the problem of scarcity, achal जिसको बोलते हैं, shortage, scarcity, unemployment, people did not get work, then starvation, hunger, that is a strikes. This resulted in even only the people of the problem of the old people and the children, the condition of the old people and children was very pathetic. So friends, here was important effect, that was social change. We learn about the another effect in our next lecture. Thank you.